Use baking soda to get rid of hair on your private parts. When unwanted hairs in private areas are concerned, many persons go for waxing, some for shaving just to eliminate them as quickly as possible. These are the most common ways for removal of unwanted hairs in our private parts. However, there is 100% natural way which is very effective with no side effects, and moreover it will help you to get rid of unwanted hair completely. Required ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 cup of water. Instructions: use a pot and pour the water in it, heat it, and when it reaches boiling point, add the 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Apply the resulting solution on the areas covered with hair before going to sleep and leave it to act during the whole night. Rinse it off the following morning. Apply your standard moisturizer. Perform this treatment 2 to 3 times a week, and very soon the unwanted hair will start to disappear.